This part of my pressure sprayer don't work anymore. I'm going to convert this sprayer to electric one using my cordless compressor. This is the first video of 3. I will post the next videos within 3 weeks. I think sooner than later. The first video, this one, is all about dismantling this pressure sprayer and trying to get an idea what I'm going to do. The next video will be about making the part, and then the last video will all be about putting it together and see if it works. This part didn't work at all. I couldn't find that it have any compression, so that's why I decided to convert this sprayer bottle to save my energy and make it electric. I have a compressor, so I don't use it. At this space I wondered if I can't make this thread and make a part that just screw in at the same space that this one screws in. Somewhere that I can mount a valve that I can connect the compressor to. I decided to use the space where this part is supposed to mount and make a new part with a seal where I can insert my valve and make it part of the whole system. In the next video I'm going to show you what was my idea about the part and how I'm going to use it with this. Thank you for watching and follow to see the rest of this build. Enjoy your day and remember to subscribe.